Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode in my garden. There's nothing quite like enjoying the bounty of homegrown fruits, and living in Florida gives us a unique opportunity to grow a wider variety of delicious tropicals. Today, we're going to explore 5 fantastic tropical fruits that thrive in Florida's warm climate. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, I'm going to provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to cultivate your own little piece of paradise. So, let's put on our gardening gloves, grab our tools, and get ready to delve into the wonderful world of growing tropical fruits in the Sunshine State. First up, we have the king of fruits, the mango. Beloved for its sweet, juicy flesh and vibrant flavor, the mango tree flourishes in Florida's subtropical environment. When selecting a mango variety for your garden, consider factors like taste preferences, disease resistance, and mature size. Some popular choices for Florida include Kent, Tommy Hilfiger, and Keat. Be sure to plant your mango tree in a sunny location with well-drained soil. Regular watering, especially during dry spells, is crucial for optimal growth and fruit production. Next, we're diving into the world of pineapples. These spiky wonders are surprisingly easy to grow right in your Florida garden. Simply twist off the leafy top from a ripe pineapple and allow it to dry for a day or two. Plant the base of the pineapple crown in a well-draining potting mix, ensuring the bottom row of leaves is buried. Place your pineapple plant in a sunny spot and water it regularly, allowing the soil to dry slightly between waterings. With patience and care, your pineapple plant will develop a sturdy root system and eventually produce a delicious fruit. Remember, patience is key with pineapples, as it can take up to 2 years to harvest your first fruit. If you're looking for a fast-growing and prolific fruit tree, look no further than the papaya. These tropical delights can produce fruit within a year of planting, making them a rewarding addition to any Florida garden. Papaya trees prefer a warm, sunny location with well-drained soil. When planting, ensure the tree's base is slightly above ground level to prevent root rot. Water regularly, especially during dry periods, but avoid overwatering. To encourage fruit production, fertilize your papaya tree every few months with a balanced fertilizer. Harvesting papayas is easy. Simply pick the fruits once they turn yellow or yellow-orange depending on the variety. Avocados, with their creamy texture and healthy fats, are a favorite in many households. Luckily for us Floridians, these versatile fruits thrive in our subtropical climate. When selecting an avocado variety, consider your space limitations, as avocado trees can grow quite large. Some popular dwarf varieties for smaller gardens include Day and Dawn. Plant your avocado tree in a sunny location with well-drained soil. Regular watering is crucial, especially during the first few years. Mulching around the base of the tree helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. No tropical garden is complete without the iconic banana plant. These large leafy beauties add a touch of the tropics to any landscape and reward you with bunches of delicious fruit. Bananas prefer a warm, humid environment with plenty of sunshine and well-drained soil. When planting, choose a location sheltered from strong winds, as their leaves can be easily damaged. Regular watering and fertilization are essential for healthy banana plant growth and fruit production. As a heavy feeder, your banana plant will benefit from regular fertilization with a balanced fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Well, there you have it. 5 fantastic tropical fruits that you can easily grow in your Florida garden. From the sweet and juicy mango to the creamy avocado and the iconic banana, there's a tropical treat for everyone to enjoy. Remember to choose varieties that suit your taste preferences and garden space, and always provide your plants with the proper care, including sunlight, water, and nutrients. With a little effort, you'll be rewarded with an abundance of delicious, homegrown fruits. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future gardening adventures. Until next time, happy gardening.